Ion Theodor Sion (1882 to 1939) was a prominent Romanian painter known for his unique style that blended Romanian folk tradition with modernist influences. Born in Lanța Brăila County, his work spanned a circle period in Romanian art when artists were seeking to establish artistic national identity while remaining contact to broader European artist trends. Seyun's style evolved over time, making his work a fascinating study of artistic exploration and identity, as well as a reflection of Romanian social and political landscapes. Ion Theodor Sion showed an early interest in the arts and moved to Bucharest to study at the National School of Fine Art, where he trained under renowned teachers such as George Demetrius. His education was characterized by a rigorous study of classical techniques with an emphasis on academic drawing and composition. However, his thirst for broader artistic experience led him to travel to Paris in 1904, where he was exposed to various avant garde movements, including Impressionism, Post Impressionism, and the nascent Cubist style. The diverse influences in Paris helped shape his future approach, particularly by encouraging a bold use of color and a willingness to experiment with form and perspective. Sion's time in Paris was transformative, providing him with a fresh perspective on both art and identity. He began to see the potential for blending the stylistic influences he encouraged with his deep interest in Romanian tradition and folklore. He gradually developed a style that incorporated elements of Cubism, Expressionism, and Fusionism while re- retaining a distinctive focus on themes related to Romanian rural life, spirituality, and mythology. Returning to Romania, he became involved with a group of modest artists who were inspired by folk art and the countryside. His work from his period showcases a vibrant synthesis of Romanian cultural elements with Western modernist techniques. One of Sion's defining features was his exploration of rural motifs, especially landscapes and scenes of patient life. He was deeply influenced by Romania folk customs, traditional motifs, and rural architecture, which he infused with an expressive modernist flair. His paintings often depicted Robert's stylized figure using simplified forms and strong expressive color that conveyed a scene of mortality and timelessness. In his later years, Seun's works began to reflect a darker, more introspective side, possibly influenced by the political turbulence and economic hardship Romania faced in the 1930s. His once vibrant landscapes and idyllic rural scenes gave way to compositions marked by somber tones and an increasing abstraction in form. This shift hints at Seun's awareness of the struggles of Romanian society and his own introspective reckoning with the role of art in uncertain time. Ion Theodor Sion's contribution to Romanian art was significant, not only for his distinctive style but for his ability to marry tradition with modernity in a way that resonated deeply with national identity. His works offered a fresh perspective on what it meant to be Romanian in the early 20th century, exploring themes that highlighted the resilience, beauty, and spirituality of the Romanian people. Today, his paintings are celebrated as a vital part of Romania's culture heritage.